Here's a walkthrough for resetting most Goodman gas furnaces, including where to find the reset buttons, how to restart from a lockout, and when to stop and call a pro. Safety first. If you smell gas, hear arcing or see scorch marks, don't reset. Shut off gas/power and call a licensed tech. Never keep pressing a reset. If a safety trips twice, it's telling you there's a real fault, overheating, rollout, blocked vent, etc. 1. Do a basic, soft reset for control board lockout. This clears many temporary faults, missed ignition, brief pressure airflow issue. Set the thermostat to off, heat off. Turn power off to the furnace. Use the service switch near the unit or the dedicated breaker. Wait 30-60 seconds. Turn power back on, then set the thermostat to heat and call for heat. Watch through the small sight window. Inducer starts, igniter glows, gas valve opens, flame proves. If it runs normally now, you're done. If it relocks, proceed to the next section. 2. Find the manual reset buttons. Models vary. Goodman furnaces can have two kinds of manual resets, depending on model issue. A. Flame rollout, manual reset safety switch. Location: inside the burner compartment behind the lower front panel, typically small round discs with two wires. Many have a raised red button in the center. You may have one or two near above the burners or on a plate above them. Purpose: trips if flame rolls out of the burner box or if temps get dangerously high. Reset: press the red button once, firm click. If it trips again, stop and call a pro. This can indicate blocked heat exchanger vent, delayed ignition, etc. B. Blower motor thermal/limit reset. Some models air handlers. Location: often on / near the blower motor inside the blower compartment. Sometimes a small red or yellow button. Purpose: trips from motor overheating, dirty filter, seized motor, blocked return. Reset: press the button once. Make sure filters returns are clear before restarting. Note: some Goodman boards don't have a separate reset button. A power cycle is the reset. Check your specific model label manual. 3. Full restart sequence. Best practice: power off at switch breaker. Remove the front access panels. Upper equals burners. Lower equals blower. Filter airflow check. Confirm a clean filter, open supply return grills, and no obvious blockages. Press any tripped manual reset. Rollout switch red button near burners. Blower motor reset button if present. Reinstall both access panels fully. Goodman's door switch must be made or it won't run. Power on, then set thermostat to heat and call for heat. Observe a complete ignition cycle. 4. Read the LED fault code, optional but helpful. If it still won't run, look through the blower door window at the control board LED and count the flashes. Compare to the unit sticker manual to pinpoint issues. Pressure switch, open limit, ignition failure. This saves guesswork and helps a tech. 5. When to stop resetting and troubleshoot instead. Rollout trips again after reset, call a pro. Possible combustion venting problem. Keeps locking out after soft reset, common culprits. Dirty flame sensor, blocked condensate vent, clogged filter, failed pressure switch inducer. Don't keep resetting, fix the cause. Quick reference: Goodman specific notes. Soft reset equals power off 30 to 60 seconds at switch breaker, then back on. Manual resets you may see. Flame rollout switch. Small round devices near burners with red pop-up button. Press once only. Blower motor reset, if equipped button on near the blower housing. Door switch interlock. Unit won't run if the blower door isn't seated. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and tech tutorials.